Hey everyone, good evening. Welcome to your very own favorite channel. How are you all doing? Hi Teaching with Askin. Hi Shaurya, Advika. Hey Papiya, Garvit, Advika, Harsimran. Yes everyone, meanwhile we are talking. You all know the drill that how to join the Menti, right? Quickly go to menti.com and use this code 88717276. So once you join, just let me know in the chat that you have joined. Quickly everybody. Hi Bhavya, Raj, Shreyasi. Shreyasi, what languages? Every time you come up with something new. Yes, hi Prakash Chandran. Aditya has joined. Raj, yes, Yashasvi. Krishnendu joined. Aditya, Joshita, Papiya, Bhavya. Krishnendu, so many people have joined. Quickly everyone. Yukta. Hi Palak, I'm doing good. Thank you. Bijoy Modak. Rudrakshi, Garvit has joined. I can see some new people over here today. So, quickly, the people who are new here, do not quickly go to, yes, do subscribe the channel. And before we haven't started with the quiz yet. So what you can do is quickly share the link of the video with your friends, with your neighbors. Like, I know that these days students have a lot of groups, right? WhatsApp groups and Instagram groups and so on. So many things. Quickly share it there so that others can also join. It's going to be so much fun. Mayank, you keep, even if I forget, you will not let me forget. When you write the statement, your newest student. Hi Prakriti. Quiz से पहले leaderboard दिखा देते हैं आज. Right. Why are you nervous? Yes. All the very best teaching with Askin. Hi Sirisha. Quickly everyone, and once you join it, it will take you to a page wherein you have to fill in your details. Yes? Like your name, your grade, your telephone number, your area pin code. Quickly fill in the details, and these details you know that they're very important to get the goodies. So quickly fill in your details. Yes? You have to be really quick here because once I move to the next slide, you won't be able to fill in the details. Yes, everybody. Yes, what is happening today? No mysteries. No fake Papiya, no fake Mayank, no pranks. Yes? Yes, I'm waiting, Shri Krishna. Take your time. I'm going to wait for another 15-20 seconds on the same slide. Okay, once you have filled the details, just let me know in the chat. Yes, Garvit, you are done with it. Tomorrow is the math exam. All the very best. I'm sure that you would do really good. Yes, Advika, right. 50 lucky winners are going to get the goodies. If any one of you is going to get it, you can share with me also. Yes, Ishika, I'm waiting. Quickly fill in the details. It's raining. Where are you from? Why you can't enter the code? It's very simple, Ishika. Just go to menti.com and to join the quiz, it will ask you to fill a code. You have to put this code there, which is written at the top of the slide, 88717276. Yes, Joshita, it is today only. Fill the form? Oh, that's really bad, Aditya. I never liked such things when it used to happen with me. Kerala, all right. Great. Done, done, done. Why are you nervous for this, Harsimran? No pranks today, Mayank. Yes, everyone. Done. Probability of getting goodies is 50-50. I can see a lot many people have joined. Quickly, if you have pin code, Ruchi, it must be there on your school identity card. Yes, your school identity card, your Aadhaar card. You can ask your parents also if you don't know it. It's okay, Apsara. But I know that it feels so bad when you have an exam on your birthday. Nobody feels like studying on a birthday. I remember, I never used to do that. And you all know when my birthday is now. Education world done? Yes? All right. So I think many people have filled in the details. So let's move ahead. All right. So another interesting, very important update for you that now we are coming up with a series wherein we will be in the next 45 days. It's basically about your midterms, right? So what all we are going to cover here, because we want you to excel your examinations. We want you to ace your papers. So for that, you can see all this list that we are going to cover here. Chapters we will be covering in one shot. That means in one session we'll be covering the entire chapter, and their PDFs will also be shared like we generally share. You know that over the Telegram channel. Students who are new here, let me tell you, we have a dedicated Telegram community for 6th to 8th graders. Link is there in the description. You can join it. So many interesting things we share there. In fact, the session PDFs as well. Also, I'll be discussing some important questions which are good from the examination point of view, and of course in math we do require formula sheets, right? So formula cheat sheet we will be discussing, we'll be sharing with you. And yes, most important thing, we'll be coming up with doubt solving sessions. I think this is something that is very much needed when it comes to mathematics, right? So what you need to do is, you can always post your doubts. Let's suppose in the live session, if you're sometimes it happens that I'm covering a different chapter, you have a doubt from some other chapter, it's some random doubt. But what you can do is, after the session, in the comment section, you can post that comment, post that doubt. So when we are coming up with a live session, we will pick up those questions from there. Ishika, now I won't be able to go back. It's okay. And yes, of course, mock test quizzes will be there so that you can test your understanding, you can evaluate yourself. And yes, how can we leave that? We will come up with such sessions wherein we will be telling you the strategies, the approach, how to approach an exam, all the exam strategies and all will be discussed. Yes. All right. And know that you all are so determined, so focused towards your goals. Some of you might be passionate about becoming a doctor or an engineer, right? So we are here helping you to take your first step. So it's about you can give the ANTHE. It's basically Akash National Talent Hunt exam. And registration is absolutely free for now. The link is there in the description. You can go and register for that. Yes, lot many people are saying that they have registered for ANTHE. The ones who haven't done that, please do that. The link is there in the description. Registration is not chargeable. It is absolutely free. See, these exams are really fruitful because they actually let you know your potential at the all India level, because people from all over the India would be participating in this. Yeah. And you can get up to 100% scholarship. The best part is you can win a trip to NASA. Yeah. And cash rewards will also be there. Some people have registered, some haven't. Yes, S. Sirisha. Yeah, asking. So I'm just saying, whomsoever hasn't done it yet, please do that. Link is there in the description. All right. And this exam is conducted once a year. Let me tell you what the exam dates are. It is conducted in offline as well as online mode. Online mode, the exam dates are 5th November to 13th November. In offline, it is 6th November to 13th November. Do not forget the dates. And you can see the list of students over here. Then see, they managed to got AIR 1, AIR 2, AIR 3, such good ranks in JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, in NEET as well. I'm sure that just like they made us proud, you will also make us proud. Your names would also be there someday. Yes, so start preparing for it from now on. Do not forget to register for it. Link is in the description. Registration is absolutely free. Yes. Mayank has blocked someone. Yeah, Mayank. And for the Telegram channel, students who are regularly coming for the classes, they know it. Let me just tell you, we have a dedicated Telegram community for 6th to 8th graders. So many interesting things we share over there, like revision questions, session PDFs. Whatever sessions you see here, we share their session PDFs over the Telegram channel. If you want that, please join it. Every Sunday, some interesting facts are shared, homework questions, quizzes, and of course, session updates as well. Link is in the description. Please do join it. All right, for now, let's get started with the quiz. So in all, 12 questions are going to be there. Yes, everyone, are we ready for it? I can see a lot of cute icons over here. All right. So let's get started. So here we have our first question. Sunday facts are amazing, right? Yeah. How many natural numbers are there between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10? Very simple question. This time I'm expecting सबका answer correct होगा. No wrong answers. Yes? What have you written, Mayank? Such long message. I could not read the entire one, but yes, it was something funny. Yeah? Couldn't fill the name. Do you have to fill the name every time? No, right? Done. So many people are done. Yes, let me see who got correct this time. How many of you? Oh, what happened? This was a very simple one. How could you go wrong here? So many people are saying It's 3. How come it's 3? Some are saying 2. Yeah? Okay, see. Here, between 0 and 1, so many natural numbers are there. 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, so on. Between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10, you have got 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10. But these are not natural numbers. These are rational numbers, right? So natural numbers between this is going to be 0. Yes? I hope this is clear. Advika, yours was right. Okay, be honest. Tell me who made a mistake here. Yukta, yours was wrong. What happened? This was a simple one. Yes, Ayush. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. No fractions. So many people are saying there was 0. Now it is clear. Great. Misclick. So you see, that's why. Why were you in so much hurry? Why? Because so many people are saying we thought it's rational numbers. Okay, when you see the time is running, your brain stops working. Yeah, this was a very simple one. Yes, Moyank is in a different mood today. Poetry, yeah? Poetic mood. Simple one, Anant, right? Alright, let's move ahead to the next question, question number 2. Yes, which of the following is or are correct statements? 4 statements you can see here. Please read them carefully, pick up examples to solve them. Don't be in a hurry. You have got 60 seconds to answer this. Between any two given rational numbers, there are infinite rational numbers. Yes. Between any two given rational numbers, there are infinite rational numbers. Rational numbers can be represented on the number line. Additive identity for rational numbers is 1. Denominator of rational number can be 0. I can see answers here. Some are saying, see, Pramod, I think you are new here. Do not give answers in the chat. Let this be a fair quiz. Let everyone else also try it. Papaya, no answers. Wow, Asta full in maths. Great, awesome. Yes, done. People are still trying it. Swati, yes. Ishika. It could be a possibility, Ishika. Are you asking me the answer? Yes, Ayush, you always say that. Oh wow, so many students have given the right answer. That's nice. But still, whomsoever has a confusion, now let's take a look. Between any two given rational numbers, there are infinite rational numbers. This is right. If you pick up any two rational numbers, let's suppose if you pick up 3 and 7, like the previous example, by changing the denominator, if it is 3 by 10, 7 by 10, there would be few rational numbers. If it is 3 by 100, 7 by 100, number of rational numbers will increase. If it is 3 by 1000, 7 by 1000, it will increase. So we can say it's infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Rational numbers can be represented on the number line. Yes, we know that. They can be represented. Additive identity for rational number is 1? No, that's wrong, right? It's not 1. 0. The denominator of a rational number can be 0. It can never be 0 because if the denominator is 0, it will be not defined. I think this is something that we already discussed. Correct answers here are A and B. Both. 2 right answers. Oh, didn't read the question properly. No tukka. Sukaina. No, no, no. Yes, leaderboard. Don't worry. After 3 questions. Yeah? Alright. A positive rational number which is equal to its reciprocal is. A positive rational number which is equal to its reciprocal is. If I explain it to you a little bit more, you will be able to guess the answer, so I won't do that. I want you to try it. It's okay, Papiya. Palak is done. Wow. Yes, everybody, people are writing done, done, done. Papiya, Advika, Garvit, Palak, Raj, Bhavya, Ame. Can others help? How to mark 2 answers? Yes, so 1 is yes, is the answer. Many students have given the right answer. That's great. See, if you talk about rational number which is equal to its reciprocal, 1 is a rational number which is equal to its reciprocal. Obviously, 1 by 1 is 1. Minus 1 is a rational number that's equal to its reciprocal. Minus 1 by 1. 1 by minus 1. Again, that's same thing. But question is asking us about the positive rational number. So that's going to be 1 only. Yes. I hope this is clear. Any doubts? Yes, no. Quickly let me know. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Ayush. It's okay, Sonia. quickly join the quiz using this code. It's there at the top of the screen, 88717276. Clear, right? All right, let's move ahead now. Time to show you the leaderboard. Who was asking for it? Yes, Anant. Leaderboard, what do you think? Who all are going to be there this time? Somik is the fastest one and he has given the maximum right answers. He's got a score of 2,960 points. Wow, that's great. Then Hola Hop, Johnny, Bhavya, Ishika, Tom. Who is Tom? And who is Hola Hop? Pratyush, Archit, Bill, Soumya. Who is Tom and who is Hola Hop? And Bill. 10th place. That's good, Prakash. That's nice. Krishnendu, 25th. 30 seconds timer helps you solving questions faster in the time. So here if you see, when you're coming for these quizzes, they actually help you learn time management also. I know that when we're under pressure, when you know that time is running, we tend to make mistakes. And this is what we need to learn, that we do not have to make mistakes, right? And how are we going to learn it? If we practice that. Tom is you, Aditya. Great, great. 6th position, wow. It's okay, Apsara, 29th, Palak, 20. Don't feel bad. Pramod, 15th is not a bad number. It's not a bad rank. See, rank doesn't matter. I know that it does matter to a certain extent, but don't run after these things, I would say. If you're making mistakes, admit it, work on that. And you should think that, okay, next time onwards, I'll not repeat the same mistake at least. Not the same mistake. Obviously, you will be making some mistakes and they will be new mistakes, but not the same mistake we have to repeat again and again. Right? This is what we need to learn. All right, let's move ahead for now to the question number 4. Simplify 3 by minus 5 times minus 10 by 9 plus 21 by minus 4 times minus 6. See, this is not difficult. If you're good with calculations, if you're good with signs and all, definitely you will give right answer for this. Do not be in a hurry. I think I tell this every time. Do not rush. Solve the question calmly. It's not a difficult one. Even digits are very simple here. Right? Advika is done with it. Yes, Yukta. 33rd. It's okay. Papia, why feeling bad? 24th. Papia is posting such angry emojis. Palak is done. It's okay, God's grace. What's your real name? It would be great if you, I know that you make IDs with different names, but then I have to remember your actual name as well as, you know, every time you see that name, you have to remember what the actual name is. Samuel. All right, great. Yes, everyone. All right, time is about to up. Okay, time is over. Let's see what the right answer is. What happened this time? It was a simple one. People are saying B, yes, that's the right answer here. But some feel that A, C and D also. Why? This calculation was very simple. You see minus 3 by 5 times minus 10 by 9, right? We have to simplify this. After that, there is a plus sign and then 21 by minus 4 times minus 6. First, let's cancel out minus sign, right? Minus 3 by 5 and minus 10 by 9. Minus will cancel out. 5 and 10 will cancel out. 3 and 9 will cancel out. You have 2 by 3. Here, minus 4 and minus 6. Minus cancel out. 4 and 6 will cancel out also. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. And then you have 63 by 2. Take the LCM, solve it, 193 by 6. That's what I always tell you. Tukka hamesha kaam nahi karega. Pramod, don't follow the same thing. No tukkas. See this here. So, see this quiz, here the questions are objective type, right? There are MCQs. But your paper is going to be subjective. You need to understand this thing. There you will be writing each and every step. No tukkas. If you're not able to understand something, you can always ask. Right? This is the advantage that we have in live sessions. Calculation mistake. Yeah, Krishnendu, that's what I told you. Yes, Preetam. Simple है. आप देखो प्लस साइन से पहले वाला पार्ट इज वन पार्ट, उसके बाद वाला इज वन पार्ट. माइनस साइन कैंसिल हो रहे हैं, एलसीएम लेना है एंड देन सिंप्लीफाई करना है. इट इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट. यस, आई नो दैट. टाइम प्रेशर, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. All right. Let's move ahead now. Ready for the next question? Question number 5. Yes. All right. Let's quickly take a look. Find the solution of 3x upon 1.5 plus 4x upon 1.6 equal to 4.5. We have to find out the solution of this. What does this mean? Solution of this. That means you need to find out the value of x over here, the variable. Yes? Not difficult, but yes, be careful while doing calculations. That's the most challenging part in math. Even if you know the concepts, you know how to solve the question, but still you end up making errors. Mahalakshmi, simple. Advika is done. Sirisha is saying it's so easy. Joshita, why tukka? See, if you don't know something how to solve, at least try it out, and then you can mark the ones which you feel that whichever seems close to your explanation. Okay, right answer is 1. And you can see that almost the students are saying 4.5, 2.5, 3. Confusion kya hai? What is the confusion here? This is simple. See, 3 and 1.5, we can cancel them out, right? That's going to be x upon 0.5. 4 and 1.6 can be cancelled out. You have 0.4. Another way to do is, I tell you a simpler way. Remove the decimal. I will not be able to write here, right? I'm just telling you verbally. Remove the decimal from 1.5. It becomes 30 upon 15. Remove the decimal from 16. It becomes 40 upon 16. Remove the decimal from 45. That's going to be 45 upon 10. Now simplify this. It will be a lot more easier for you. You get 2x plus 2.5x equals to 4.5 or 45 by 10, whatever you want to write. And then you simplify this, you get x equals to 1. Simple one. Yes, Mayank. And we agree to this. Advika, correct? Yes, Swati. Yes, Samuel. Yes, aaj lag raha server down hai. Tukka is not working. Correct. Shaurya's wrong. Anant wrong. I hope now it is clear to you. See, even if you made a mistake, it's okay. But now you have understood this. Yes, Anant, Shaurya. Pramod. Abhi clear hai? Sumit. Yes, Amay, I can understand. Time. Yes, that's a major challenge. But gradually, if you keep coming for these sessions, you would get used to it. Oh, wow, Shreyasi. All right. Let's move ahead now. We are done with 5 questions. Let's take a look at question number 36 now. Solve p minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus p minus 2 upon 3. I tell you one thing. The question is not difficult. It's just that the people who are not good with solving equations, who don't know, generally I know students make a lot of mistakes here. They don't know how to take the LCM in such cases, how to solve this. There are many ways where you can go wrong here. Although question is not difficult, these kind of questions only require practice. These kind of questions is something that you come across a lot many times. Even when you're solving a question, it could be a step, one of the steps in the question. Yes. Yes, everyone. Dipanjali is done with it. I can see here almost people have answered it. Yes. So some are saying, oh, option D is the right answer. But as I told you, this is going to be a difficult one, a tricky one for you, because generally students don't know how to solve such questions, although question is not difficult. You see, first let's take LCM on both the sides. It's going to be 2p minus p minus 1 upon 2, 3 minus p minus 2 upon 2. That's how you take LCM, right? And then we have to cross multiply, simplify the numerators and then cross multiply. You get 3p plus 3 equal to minus 2p plus 10. Variables on one side, constants on one side. Then simplify this, you get p equal to 7 by 5. No time for calculation mistakes. Still learning simple equations in school. It's okay. It is okay, but I tell you, these kind of questions are important. Not just as a question, this could be a step in any of the, answers for a particular question. We need to know we need to understand how to solve such things. It's okay, Krishnendu, but it's not about the chapter. It's about the concept. It is used a lot many times in other chapters also. It's better you learn it. Time was less for this one. Oh, ma'am, statement true false question though. Yes, Palak? Yes, everyone. All right. Let's move ahead. Now let's take a look at the leaderboard. Yes, so Bhavya is the fastest and she is the one who has given maximum right answers with a score of 4,687 points. Wow, amazing Bhavya. And then Prachi, Saraswata, Sadhu, Akash student, Mayank Yadav, wow Mayank, your name is there. Somik again, Aditya, Himanshi Singh, Archit Chaudhary again, Ayush, aiming IIT JEE and Yash. Wow, awesome. All are doing a really good work. Yes, Ayush Biswas, 47th. It's not bad, it's okay. 34th to 14th place, that's great. Yes. 18th place, 27th. Directly to 7th rank. Wow. It's great, Pramod. Is that you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Himanshi Singh. Is that you, Pramod? Yes. Good evening, Navneet. I think you have now joined. We are already done with 6 questions, but it's okay. 6 questions are still left. Now you can join the quiz using this code that's written at the top. 88717276. Third to third chal raha hai. Wow. Swati. It's same. Aditya 6 to 6. 8 to 8. It's not changing. But still you're able to maintain it. That's also good. So Sirisha, it's basically based on the cumulative results, not just one leaderboard result. Yes? For all the Menti sessions that you have done. That's good, Palak. Why are you shocked? You should be happy. All right. Let's move ahead to the 7th question. Yes, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 63 years older than her. Find the present age of grandfather. Question is not difficult. You would say that, ma'am, say this every time in every question, but honestly, question is not difficult. But I know you will get stuck. Where you can get stuck in framing the equation. If the equation is formed correctly, then half of the battle you have won. Then there's nothing left in the question. I know that calculation is very simple after that. You will definitely get the right answer. Yes, but try forming the correct equation first. Who is doing a prank now? I just saw that in the chat. No pranks. What is happening? Yes. Wow, people are done with it. Great. I hope the answer that you have given, it should be correct. Archit is saying, ma'am, B या C में से hint दे दो. Hint तो I cannot give, but I can explain the question, but I cannot give you the straight away answer. You are asking me the answer straight away. No answer in the chat. Who is saying 70? Yes. Samuel is done. Yes, Mayank will definitely do that, I'm sure. So 70 is the answer. And some are saying 80, 60, 75. Why? What happened? Yes, linear equation type question. It is a question. Yes. So we don't know the present age of grandfather, right? But it says grandfather is 10 times of granddaughter, right? So let's suppose granddaughter is X years old. So grandfather is 10 times of granddaughter's age. He would be 10x. This is simple. Now question says he is also 63 years older than her. That means the difference between the grandfather's age and the granddaughter's age is going to be 63, right? If I say if my grandfather is, let's suppose is 50 years older than me, so definitely the difference between our ages is 50, right? So simply 10x minus x is 63. Simplify it, you get x, that's 7. If x is 7, I have the granddaughter's age, but I need grandfather's age, that's going to be 10 times x, which is 10 times 7, that's 70 years. Yes, this came in today's exam. Wow, Akash. So now that's why you were able to do it so quickly. Great. Calculation error. So this was a simple one. 39th position. It's okay, Raj. थोड़ा time लगेगा मयंक, right? Because मयंक को अब अच्छे वाली लिखनी पड़ेगी. Just kidding. Did mentally because you saw this question today only. Yes, I hope this is clear to everyone. No doubts? Yes? Yes, Palak, let him write first. It will take time as he is saying. All right, let's move ahead to the next question. Question number 8. 3 numbers are in the ratio 4:5:6. If sum of the largest and smaller number equals to the sum of the second number and 55, find the smallest number. Just decode this statement. As I always say, whenever you come across a word problem, do word by word translation of the statement. You do not have the actual values of the numbers. The ratio is given. Ratio is not the exact value. Yes, I hope you know that if I say you are 15-year-old, I'm 30, so our ratio is going to be 1:2. That does not mean that you are 1-year-old and I'm 2-year-old. It just means that I'm twice your age. Similarly, we have these numbers. These are not exact numbers, only the ratio. Ratio tells you about the comparison, right? Yes, Swati is done. Amazing education world. Advika, Joshita. Joshita, why tukka every time? Papi, I agree with you. Aaj definitely server down hai. Yes, everybody. Quickly, we still have got... Okay, time is up. No, time is... Yes, time is up. Misclick again. Oh. Did you decide this time? Tell me. Yes, was it decided? Ki answer 11 hai, 44 hai? How come the numbers are exactly same? Same number of people are saying 11 and 44. Okay, as I said, these are not exact numbers. So let's assume the numbers first. 4x, 5x, 6x. Alright, x is going to be same here, right? Sum of the largest and smallest. Smallest is 4x, largest is 6x. Add them up is equal to sum of second number and 55. Second number is 5x and 55. Add them again. Simplify it. You get x equal to 11. So you have the smallest number, that is 4x. That's going to be 4 times 11. That's 44. What happened? Krishnendu, don't feel bad. Yes, Papaya, not working today. It's good, Raj, if you're able to do it. Oh, you made a mistake. You gave the value of it. It happens a lot many times. We feel that we are so curious. We get so excited when we know the question. We feel that, okay, x aa gaya. Okay, this is the final answer. Read the question carefully. What did you assume? Question was talking about the smallest number. That is not x. That was actually 4x. Right? Oh, just saw 44 and clicked. Akash. Calculation. See, this question was not calculative as such. Even the calculations that are involved here, that could be done mentally. You don't have to write something and do it. Right? Alright, let's move ahead to the next question. Question number 9. Yes, everyone, ready? Yes, shall we see the question? Alright. So here we go, question number 9. In the following figure, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. Find the measure of angle C. AB is parallel to DC. You need to take this into consideration. It's a very important line which will help you in solving this question. Angle B is 120 degree. And you have to find angle C. I hope you are able to understand the relation between this statement and this angle here. Yes, this can be done mentally. It's very simple. It's just that you need to use a property here. I hope you have guessed the answer now. I just gave you a very big hint that a property is used here. Yes, everyone. Ishika done. Shaurya done. Yes. Palak is done. Aditya is done. Anant. Ayush. Misclick. Oh. Joshita. Harsimran. Alternate interior angles. Time is up. Property is wrong. It's not alternate interior angles. Alright, so a lot of students have given the right answer. That's great. Let's take a look. AB and DC are parallel. So definitely BC is a transversal. We know that sum of co-interior angles. Co-interior angles which are on the sum of angles on the same side of the transversal. That's 180 degree. Right? That's going to be C plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree. You get 60 degree. Who was saying alternate angles? Alternate angles always form a Z. Right? Z is not formed here. Both the angles were inside it. On the same side of transversal. Right, Samuel? Krishnendu, don't feel bad. It's okay. Even I'm not going to get it. Yes, co-interior angles. Or you can also write sum of angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. Yes, that's right. That's okay, Aditya. It's okay. But you know the reason, right? Let's move ahead to the next question. Question number 10. Yeah, it's co-interior, right, Prachi? Find the value of x. Here you can see this figure. And all the exterior angles are marked here. It's a polygon. I hope you all know the property, exterior angle property. Using that, I mean, not a hint. Okay, you try it. I think when I start explaining you, वो मेरे से निकल ही जाता है कि क्या use होना है. I will not tell you. I will not reveal this time. Yes. Correct, that's the property. Co-interior, or you can, as I said, you can write sum of angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. But it's better you write co-interior because the word is small. You just have to write one word, otherwise you'll have to write the entire statement. Co-interior itself specifies that and sum would be 180 degree. Guessed it, done. It's okay, Shreyasi. Still, you can try as much as you can. That's fine. All right. So let's see how many of you have given the right answer this time. Oh. This was definitely decided, I guess, right? ये तो साथ में तो आप लोग ने decide किया है. 15 degree, 12 degree, 33 degree. I mean 15, 12 so close. 12 degree is the right answer. It was a simple one. Sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. I gave you a clear hint. What happened? You just have to add all them up. Simple calculation. 30x equal to 360 degree, x is 12 degree. Yes, Ayush. Yes, you were saying that you missed that thing. It's okay. Krishnendu, for you it worked this time. Papiya, it will not work now. Oh. It's okay. One angle you missed. I know that a lot of numbers were written here, so you could have missed that thing. Obviously, when the timer is running, you can come under pressure and it happens. But practice such things. Especially when you're practicing, it's not that we are just practicing questions. We have to learn time management also. Yes, pray to Tukka Devi. All are praying to Tukka Devi today, right? Question number 11. Let's take a look. The length of one of the diagonals of a rhombus is equal to the length of one of its sides. Find the smallest angle of the rhombus. So we have these angles here. Seems like Tukka Devi is angry with all of you today. Yeah, Tukkas are not working. But I am happy. At least you will learn that Tukkas doesn't work. So it's better we practice it. Yes, Sukaina, you're done? Shaurya. You already know your answer is wrong. Why, Papiya, when you know it, why are you doing that? Yes, Krishnendu. Papiya will keep trying it until we reach the last question. Which name, Palak? Sorry, I'm not able to understand the question. Yes, I can see people are done with it. Yes, Sukaina. Yes, Anant, done. Shreyasi, yes, everyone. Oh, 60 degrees is the right answer. What happened this time? Are we not aware of the properties of the rhombus? This was a simple one. The length of one of the diagonals of a rhombus, diagonal is AC, right, is equal to length of one of the sides. We know all the sides of a rhombus are equal. Definitely if all the sides are equal and diagonal is equal to any of the sides, they all will be equal. AB, BC, CD, DA and AC. So smallest angle of the rhombus. Let's consider this triangle ABC. If all the sides are equal, it's an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, each angle is of 60 degree. What happened? Simple one. क्या हो गया था यहाँ? Was it difficult? Ishika, Sukaina, yes. Teaching with Askin, yours is correct. Yes. As I said, Tukka Devi is angry today with all of you. Samuel, yours is wrong. Misclick. It's okay. Now you've understood the concept. Joshita, okay, I'm explaining one more time. This is the rhombus. We know that all the sides of a rhombus are equal. And we have joined this A and C to make a diagonal. You can join B or D also, whichever you want to, but just make a diagonal. Question says that length of the diagonal, that means AC, is equal to the length of any of its sides. Even if it is equal to the length of any of the sides, that means it will be equal to all the sides, right? So AB, BC, CD, DA, AC, all are equal. Now, question is asking the smallest angle of the rhombus. Suppose if I consider this triangle ABC, AB, BC, AC all are equal. It is equilateral. If it is equilateral, that means each angle would be 60 degree, right? Yes, any doubts now? Yes, Sirisha, it's not like that. So the chart moves so fast. Sometimes it becomes difficult for me to address the question for each one of you. Finally worked. Now I am angry. It should not work. Yes. Yes, everyone? Clear? All right, let's move ahead to the last question. Come on. This time we all will give the right answer. Yes? Let's try this. Which of the following is not the property of a rhombus? A simple one. Which is not the property of a rhombus? Please carefully read all the options and see which one is not the property. I'm again reiterating on this so that you don't miss out on this thing, not the property. Because then you say that, ma'am, we did not read the question carefully. Yes, Saivardhan, yes. Please ask. Done, done, done. So many people are done. Yes, Saivardhan. Yes, you can post your doubt. Wow, Chetna, happy birthday. And I wish you a great year ahead. Done, Pramod is done. Palak done. Leaderboard I'll show you after this question. Don't worry. Yes, Prachi, I'm doing good. Thank you. 17 seconds. Wow. I did not see that, Palak. I did not see that. All right, all right. Wow. Still not many people are given the right answer, but some are still not clear with the properties, it seems like. It says opposite sides are parallel. Yes, because every rhombus is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. All sides are equal. We just discussed that. Yes, all sides are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Yes, diagonals are bisecting each other at right angles, but diagonals do not bisect the vertex. Vertex means the corner angles. They do not bisect them, right? So this one is wrong. Yes. Saivardhan, this is for grade 8th. Imagination betrayed you. This is for grade 8th, yes. All right, I hope this is clear. So did you understand one thing, that we are not clear with the properties? I think this is something that I said last time also. Please revise the properties. They are very important. Wow, Mayank, that's so nice. Thank you. Yes, I just read that. That's amazing. Mayank is a really good poet. You can say that. All right, so we are done with the 12 questions. Last leaderboard I'm going to show you now. What do you think? Who is going to win this time? Any guesses? Prachi. Wow. Is it Prachi? Which Prachi is this? I think we have got two Prachis here. 8,824 points. That's amazing. Even the people whomsoever names were there on the leaderboard, who were not there on the leaderboard, it's okay. We do not have to feel bad, right? We just have to keep trying for it. We will not give up, right? Yes. 666. Maintaining the same position. 7th place. Wow. Amazing education world. Prachi Chaudhary, that's you. It's okay, Krishnendu. It's okay. Don't feel bad. Pramod, 5th rank. Still, angry emojis you're posting. 5th rank is not bad. It's a good number. Wow. So you all are doing a really good work. And as we always say, we have got you covered. Just a reminder, link for Telegram channel is there in the description. I could see many people joined late. Some new names also I saw today. Telegram channel, it is there in the description. Please join it. So many things we share over there, even the session PDFs as well. Yes, and interesting thing I'm going to tell you. This is Trisha Biswal, and she's basically a BYJU'S student. She's got 99.8%. That's a good number, really good number. And it's not that. 23 students have got above 99%. 927 students have got between 95 to 99%. Isn't that great? Your seniors, you see, they're doing a really good work. 1,663 students with between 90 to 95%, and above 2,600 students have got above 90%. And the counting is still going on. Yeah, it's not the end. Yes, Krishnendu, right? We interviewed her. And you see that it's all possible. Did you see that? If you all have seen that interview, you must have heard her. How determined, how focused she was. Yes. Even she used to get distracted while studying, like you also get distracted. So it is okay. It happens with everyone. But you need to keep reminding yourself. Yeah. So like they all made us proud. I'm sure that you would also make us proud one day. Yes. So what we need to do is, because it's all the mehnat ka result. But for that, what we need to do, we have to keep coming for the classes regularly, right? And I think this is I would say, the biggest discipline. If you are regularly showing up for your classes, because discipline, I would say, starts from here. So keep coming for the classes regularly. Whenever you're coming for the math class, I would say be ready with the notebooks and pens. Utilize this 30 and 45 minutes of the class timing. Solve along with me. And if you have any doubts, you can always post that in the comment section, right? Quickly hit the like button if you're liking this session. Share it with your friends in your school groups. Do not forget to subscribe. Yes, BYJU'S, your first class. Quickly subscribe the channel. Neelam Bora, whomsoever is new here. Advika, S. Sirisha, Mayank, Ayush, Papiya, Krishnendu, everybody. Quickly subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Now I won't be able to go back, Ayush. Yes, Ame, like, share and subscribe. Great. Samuel is new here. The people who are new here, quickly subscribe to the channel. Also, there is a link given in the description for Telegram channel. Do join it, and as well, the ANTHE registration form is also there. The link is in the description. Go and register for it quickly. Yes, subscribed? Great, great. Don't worry, Sirisha. I'm sure that you should be one of them. All right, everyone. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.